Hey guys, this is Course 2, Lesson 4.2. So title your paper, Using Number Sense to Solve Equations. So today we're going to solve some equations. So you have some keywords you need to put in your notebook. So write down equation. Equation is a mathematical sentence with an equal sign. So I always remember the first part of the word, EQUA, of equation, looks like equal sign. So an equation has an equal sign. An open sentence is an equation with one or more variables. So if it says 2x equals 10, that is an open sentence. A solution to an equation is a value for a variable that makes the equation true. So the answer. So if my open sentence was 2x equals 10, x equals 5 would be the solution. So this says, find the solution of h minus 18 equals 54. So here's the equation. H minus 18 equals 54. Now they give me three choices. Is it 3, is it 62, or 72? So what do you think? If I put 3 in and I do 3 minus 18, does that equal 54? No. What if I do 62 minus 18? Does that equal 54? Well, 62 minus 10 is 52, so I'd have to do minus 18, so that does not work either. And then I have 72 minus 18. Does that equal 54? Well, 72 minus 20 is 52, and then I have 2 extra because this is an 18, so yes, that does work. So that's one way to do it, is to guess the number and then check your answer. Here's how we want you to do it. So it says use mental math to solve each equation. So what minus 9 equals 5? So use mental math. So you have to figure out a number, some number, minus 9 equals 5. So really what I'm doing is I need to add these two numbers together. 9 plus 5 is 14, and then I need to check. 14 minus 9, does that equal 5? Yes. So then S equals 14. So on these easy ones, you can use mental math because the problems are pretty simple, but you still need to show your work by showing what is going on in your head. So 4 times what equals 28? So if you know your multiplication tables, you know that 4 times 7 is 28. So Z equals 7. Okay, so try the next two, and then we'll go over them. Okay, so what plus 7 equals 11? So I have to add from 7 up to 11, so that is 4 plus 7 equals 11. So I know that G equals 4. Now this one's a little bit trickier. What divided by 6 equals 5? So I need a big number. A big number divided by 6 equals 5. So what you're going to do is think, okay, what big number, I'm going to cut it into 6 things, would I get 5 left as my answer? So 30 divided by 6 equals 5, if I know my multiplication tables again. So then check it. Does 30 divided by 6 equal 5? Yes. So then I know C equals 30. Okay, so next example. The weight of a packing crate is 14.65 pounds. The crate and its contents together weigh 85.21. Estimate the weight of the contents. So this happens all the time. People sell boxes and then everybody puts different things in them that weigh different amounts. So the crate or the box weighs 14.65. So then I have to add it to my contents, and then that equals 85.21. So I need to figure out, what did they put into the box, the contents. Is it DVD players? Is it bricks? Is it pillows? Like whatever, all those things weigh different amounts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract these two numbers. So I'm going to minus for the weight of the crate from the total, and that will give me how much it weighs. So you have to do some simple math. So this becomes an 11 and this becomes a 1. So 11 minus 5 is 6. 1 minus 6 I can't do, so this becomes a 4 and this becomes a 1. So 11 minus 6 is 5. And then 4 minus 4 is 0 and 8 minus 1 is 70. So 70.56. Now what you do, I always double check to make sure I did it correctly, is I add these together. So that's 11, this is 12, 4 plus 1 is 5, and 7 plus 1 is 8. So 85.21, 85.21. So I know my answer is correct. 70.56 is the weight of the contents that went into that shipping box. So that's it for your notes.